I've got a friend on the line that does quite a few art projects with a small spot welder, and I decided to follow his path, and I asked around, and based on reviews and his recommendations, I went with this one. So look how small this is. I really thought it was going to be a bigger thing, to get interested in, and it turns out they're really not that big. So this is all the accessories for it. We've got a foot pedal, we've got the 2 leads, got this piece of sandpaper, and I guess some tape, 2 nice leads, heavy duty cable. I'm guessing they plug into the top here. I'll look at the instructions before I start playing with it. But yeah, this was very economical. Really looking forward to using it. Hope this helps.